in my Cadillac. What to my surprise,
Make it strong.
Matt.
Rambler was following me about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me out, and he kept on tooting his horn.
Look at those ashes right here.
Show him that a Cadillac is not a car to store. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shake, but the next rambler stayed right behind. He still had on his brake. He must have thought his car had more guts as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off with gusts. So we're doing 90, but left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror, my eyes, I can believe my eyes. The last room they right behind, I think that guy can fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110, and certainly was a race. We're rambling past like caddy, would be a big disgrace. The guy might have wanted to best me out and kept on doing his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to score. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 120 as fast as I can go. Fellow roll beside me, as if I'm going slow. Throw down the window, yell for me, two, here, hey, buddy, again, disco, oh, singing here. Beep, 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 beep.